Good morning, viewers. Today, what we have is fishing, and I would love you to subscribe to this channel and also share the videos. I want to show us how, in a way, we can prepare a fishing hook. This is raffia bamboo. It's called raffia bamboo. It's raffia bamboo. It's raffia bamboo. It's raffia bamboo. These are the things we use. This fishing hook. This fishing hook. This fishing hook. This fishing line. Just fishing line. This one is removed from the raffia bamboo. It's removed from here. We remove it from here. We use it to replace bite. It serves as floater. Then we also use lead. This one is to enable it sink down. Then the nature of food we use for the fish is raw gari. Raw gari. Raw gari. I'll show you the way to go about it. We'll start preparing it. I'll start preparing the hook, the fishing hook now, and you see how it's done. Okay. As I said earlier, I want to start preparing the hook now. Let's see how we can natively do it. All right. This is the raffia bamboo. The fishing line. I'll remove like 3 yards. This one is the bite. How is it going? Preparation of the bite. If I'm right that it's called bite, you should see it in the comment section. But we don't have vast knowledge about this. It's just how we know we can call it. Serve as floater, a signal to really see if something is really getting under it. The line. Oh, how we tie it. It's firm. And we proceed to razor blade. All these things have function. They are functional here.
Okay, it's okay.
No person.
Leave an
Okay.
yeah.
We continue from there. I'll prepare 3 different types of this to really see the ones that will suit what I have here. This thread. This thread. Thread is already weak. Is it? This is a very clean floater. This is the lead. This is the lead. This is the lead. I'm from a village. So in our village, this is how we manage to prepare our fishing hook. I've gotten a piece of it. Gotten a pieces of it. Take a view of it. I'll keep it. Now is the hour for this. It's time to fix the hook. The type of fishing hook we use. put it inside here. Put it inside here like this. Roll it on the head here. Draw it. You roll again. Draw it. You roll again for the last time. Draw it. Okay. How it is now. I'm twisting it now. Can you view? Take a look. How it is. Now the excess part here. It's cut off. Been cut off. Now it's time to fix the lead. The little pieces I cut off here. And roll it here. And roll it. Look at how it is. Look at how this is how we fix our lead. How we fix our lead. How we fix it. Need to be very careful. It's ready. It's ready. Pack everything you have here back for the next. but I still have to explain the nature of line we use here. Ordinarily, anywhere you have bigger fishes, you can't use it. You cannot use it, but it's not for big fish. The size of this, we call it magic rope. The size of this line is 0.35 millimeter. It's not strong, not strong, but it can do wonders. But immediately you first use it, the first time, the second time, the third time, you're supposed to change it. So that's how we operate here. All right. This is where they usually be. Go back to where you are. Now it's time to mix the food for the fish. I have dirty cassava which I can show you here also. It's dirty one. They're almost rotten, but we still use it. I'll pour this one inside the water and use this other one to mix what I can use to do the fishing proper. So this is time for the mixture. We mix with, this is gari. This is gari. It's been prepared already. It's been prepared. You can eat this one. Eba. Eba. Enano. That's how we call it. Enan. This is a grind cassava. It's been grinded already. This one is dry. You filter this and fry it. It gives gari. Then you mix with water. You have this. The fish needed this fresh cassava. So this is how we mix it. The fish needed this fresh cassava. So for you to be able to mold it, you add this. Can you see? I have to sprinkle a little water in it. I'll be back. added little quantity of water. I've added water. It's washing. I need to add more. Can you see? You see? Look at how this is. See the difference? It's pure. You can possibly mold this and hook it. For this, you can't. That's the magic. That's how we use it here. Good to go now. Good to go. Good to go. Remember, I told you about the rotten one. This is the bad one. This one is going directly into the water. I'll sprinkle it. I'll sprinkle it there. This is it. I'll sprinkle it there, and the fishes will assemble to come and feed on it. It's a mixture. This is the bad one. Carry some good quantity of it. Go to my target. I'll leave it there. In progress.